Hello, and welcome to another telekinesis video. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading videos lately, but I have some financial troubles and I have to work way more right now, so I don't really have time to make videos. As you guys know, in order to do telekinesis, your financials have to be in order. If you don't have this peaceful mind that financially you're okay, you just won't be able to focus on telekinesis. That's why I'm trying to focus on that first. But don't worry, I'm gonna be back with more videos. Anyways, I have one important lesson for you to learn, which is patience. I have a few people who keep sending me messages, either through email, but also through my membership, which I have now. You can join my membership where you can talk to me directly. And there I can see that people have a difficulty, they have trouble to be patient with telekinesis. You know, telekinesis takes time. It's not like normal skills. Telekinesis takes way longer to learn than any other skills you can learn. And if you're impatient, it's going to take even longer. So please, be patient, and only with patience you can learn telekinesis. Breathe. If you're frustrated, just meditate. Focus on your breathing, focus on your meditation, and then you're gonna feel better. You can do meditation when you wake up in the morning. It's gonna help you throughout the day. It's gonna give you energy. And then in the evening, before you go to bed, or even in bed, you can meditate to make yourself fall asleep faster. It's a great ending for a day. Anyways, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, or join my membership. And then you can send me emails. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.